Alam nyo guys, matagal ko tong inabangan yung secured credit card ni Union Bank. Na sabi niya 100% approval. Dahil syempre, magdi-deposit ka. It's a secured credit card. It's backed by a deposit. I thought it's gonna be like my experience with Metrobank. Anyways, matagal ko na kasing gusto magkaroon ng Union Bank na credit card because according sa husband ko, it's really nice because ang dami niyong perks, ang dami niyong promo, yung mga 0% interest niya, pay in so many months. So sabi ko, sana ako rin. And okay daw yung cashback ni Union Bank. So I've always hoped and wanted na ma-approve dito sa Union Bank. And I've been trying for siguro 2 years or more now. I did the online thing kasi very aggressive yung marketing nila ha. And I also did the smart thing. Walang feedback mga guys. So sabi ko, when I saw this feature sa Union Bank na app mismo, which I thought was gonna make things a lot easier, so I was excited. So this video is not sponsored, it is based on my experience. And ngayon pala sasabihin ko na sa inyo guys na hindi totoo na 100% approval to, na-reject ako. But before I share my opinion, okay, and before I share a better option, kasi ayoko na. I'm just gonna show you the steps on how to apply for this and what to expect. Maybe this secured credit card is the right fit for you. So, the idea of a secured credit card is supposedly to make things a lot easier for those with bad credit history, konti lang yung track record pa lang sa borrowing, na mapadali yung pag-angat ng credit history para, you know, with good credit, you can easily borrow from legit institutions without collateral and mas lower yung interest. So, syempre, we'd like to have a secured credit card with Union Bank because yung features nito is no annual fee ever. O yan, no income docs needed, only one-time security deposit only, and earn points. Sabi pa niya, make a deposit to get your application going. Sabi niya 100% approval ha, pero hindi. Nagsinungaling siya. Your credit limit is 90% of your deposit. So if you deposit 20,000 pesos, yung magiging credit limit mo initially is gonna be 18,000. Oh, come on. There's a better bank option. Anyways, mamaya na yung natin puntahan. And then we set aside your deposit for a year while you build good credit history. So with good credit history, it can help you get approved for loans and credit cards faster, enjoy better loan interest rates, build relationship with banks and lenders, yada, yada, yada. It is something that I've experienced with the other bank, which I think is much better. Wow, better, which is Metrobank. Anyways, like I said, let's go with the process muna and what to expect. Union Bank Reward Secured Credit Card yung ina-apply natin dito through the app. So what? You'll love it. Earn 1 never expiring points for every 30 pesos spent. Promising siya ha. And then earn 3x points when you shop and dine with your card and redeem your points for vouchers, flights, hotel stays, and cash, credit, and more. The reason kung bakit in-applyan ko rin to because we talk about loans in this channel and I want it to be authentic, so in-applyan ko siya so I can give you my feedback about it. I was hopeful, very, very hopeful. So may principal fee siya, but if you want no annual fee ever, just spend 100 within 60 days. Wow. But is it 100% approved? No. Nagsinungaling siya sa sinasabi niya sa app. Dapat palitan niya to. Hindi niya pwedeng sabihin 100% approval to. May security deposit na nga, lure. Anyway, more awesome features. Get cash, convert your credit limit into cash and pay in full or in installments. I suggest you don't do this. Pay direct, pay any local bank or e-wallet straight from your Union Bank credit card. Okay, so you're gonna make a deposit. Basically, so nag-cash in pa ako ng 20,000 pesos sa aking Union Bank para i-keep ko dyan, para during the review process, andyan na yung 20,000 ko, and I waited 3 weeks, only to be told via text that they cannot approve my application at the moment. And then I keep receiving marketing emails from them na mag-apply daw ako ng credit card sa kanila. Oh, come on. Anyway, deposit ako, and it stayed there. Yung 20,000, it stayed there. Kasi dati may laman to, but then sabi ko parang wala naman ako napapala dito kay Union Bank. So, nilipat ko sa kabila kong savings, but I still have the account. Naglagay ako ng 20,000 hoping that they're gonna approve me. Anyway, so naglagay ako ng 20,000 doon and I went with the application process. So, ayun, they explained na 90% of that is gonna be your credit limit. And after I made the deposit, I clicked slide to confirm and pinag-agree niya ako sa terms and conditions, review and submit. No documents, no nothing, no forms, hindi mo kailangang picture ng ID mo or whatsoever. Sabi niya, application submitted lang, And sabi niya, hintay daw ng 12 banking days. And someone will call you, yung ganon. And I also received an email confirmation na na-submit yung aking application. And ito pa yung sabi niya, you can only cancel your application within an hour after mong mag-apply. So, may 20,000 nakanganga sa Union Bank account ko while I was waiting for them to review my application. And then 3 weeks later, I received a text that they cannot approve my secured credit card application at this time. This is a joke. Kasi sa app, they said 100% approval. I know naman that you will not, there are banks na hindi nag-approve ng secured na credit card application, especially if dati ka nang may canceled or may closed or canceled na credit card sa bangko na yan na hindi nabayaran. But with Union Bank, wala akong record. Just so you know guys, na-approve po ako sa Metro Bank when I applied for a security deposit. And it took about the same period. 3 weeks din ako naghintay and na-approve yun. Now with Metro Bank, it's 100% of your deposit, yun yung magiging credit limit mo. Okay, may magsasabi, bakit ka mag-secured credit card? Parang ginisa mo yung sarili mo sa sarili mo mantika, parang pinautang mo yung sarili mo, tapos magbabayad ka ng interest. The purpose of that is to build credit. And you can always request after a certain time na ipa-release yung security deposit mo, especially if you have good credit history. Now, I was excited na magkaroon ng secured credit card. Nakalagay talaga na they will hold on to your deposit for a year while you build good credit history. So, there's a clear time period kung kailan locked yung deposit mo. Unlike Metro Bank na hanggang ngayon, magti 3 years na or sobra, nakalock pa rin siya because I believe na with Metro Bank, kailangan mo pang tumawag sa branch. Magpatulong sa manager for them to release your security deposit and convert the card into a regular credit card. Anyway, so hindi ko pa nagagawa yan. I'll update you if nagawa ko na. But the beauty of having a Metro Bank secured credit card is that I think mas ma-approve ka. And because of that, after a couple of months, siguro mga 6 months, because of that, nagkaroon ako ng security, yung regular, yung Gold MasterCard with Security Bank. Like it's a regular credit card, no deposit required. And then, after that, nagkaroon ako ng 2 other regular credit cards with Metro Bank. And then, nagkaroon ako ng BDO na credit card. So, tell me, Union Bank, bakit hindi ako na-approve? Secured credit card na nga eh. Anyway, so, shinare ko lang to so that you are aware na merong ganito. And it's up for you to, try nyo. Baka it's a good fit para sa inyo. But for me, I guess, suko na ako guys. At least my husband has Union Bank and he says it's a really good card. Maraming perks. But it's not for me. Ayaw niya sa akin. So, anyways, there's blessing pa rin because yung BDO ko naman na hindi pa siya umabot ng 6 months. I think October ko lang siya na-receive. Magsi 6 months pa lang. Nag-times 2 na yung credit limit niya. Nagulat ako kasi hindi ko naman siya na-max out. Ginagamit ko lang siya for the installment features kasi maganda yung mga perks ni BDO. And then, nabigla ako guys. Na, dinoble niyo yung credit limit ko in just around 6 months. So, let's talk about my BDO credit card at paano ako nagkaroon in a different video. I'll see you on my next vlog. Union Bank.